Hello everyone. Welcome to my live. If you decide to come on in, no, I did not purposely invite individuals because I've been going on a live marathon to catch up. And on this particular day, Saturday, May the 26th, 2018, there was not a question of the day, so I have created my own. And the question that I, the question that I have, the question that I'm proposing, hold on for a minute. My Burger King hat is coming off because the wind is blowing. I know I'm looking crazy, but this is me. This is who I am. I'm the queen of Burger King. And I don't even eat Burger King that often. I just threw this hat on. But the question that I have, it says, do you get out in nature often? Which me, I really don't get out that often in nature. I've started walking again. But I have to start walking on a more consistent basis. Oh, and by the way, I am Sharetha Jackson. And I am filming this video in the lovely city of Las Vegas, Nevada. Las Vegas. You guys, today it was a high of 95 degrees or 96. It was hot. But right now, we out here at the park. And my kids are they're getting wet. We out here in this beautiful city, man. And I'm telling you, it's so beautiful. I'm finna let you see the sunset. The sun is already set. It's already going down. See that? It's beautiful. My kids out here. We out here. We're not at no beach. But we at a splash water park. A splash pad, whatever you call this. So... Hi, Malia. So my question is, do you get out and just go walking? Sit up under a tree? I'm feeling the wind blow. So I hope y'all can hear me. Because the wind is not blowing that bad. I'm under this tree. Brought the kids here to get a little wet, cool off. Because they said that water is cold. There they go over there. The water cold. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see them. It's cold. Maya, say hi. There go my daughter and my cousin. There go Makai. She don't want to get back in the water. Oh, you ain't get in. You ain't get in. Oh, now my daughter wrong for putting my Harry. Look at it. Look at my Harry. My Harry kicking. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we out here at the park. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? Hi, Isaac. I was doing the question of the day for Saturday, May 26th. There wasn't a question for that particular day. So my question is that, you know, do you get out and just walk on the grass? Ooh wee. It's also recommended that you take your shoes off and just walk in the grass and feel the earth. When I heard that on the video, I said, you know what? That is true. Hey, Makai. This is my daughter, Makai.
I don't want to be on camera.
She don't want to be on camera because she don't got her hair pulled back. But she see her mama be on camera. Hey. I embrace myself. Hey. But I was showing y'all that beautiful sunset, man. Let me show y'all that sunset again. See that? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We out here at the park. I don't know the name of this park. It's nice though. It was like out here in Las Vegas today. It was 97 degrees, 95, 97 degrees. It was too hot. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't get out in nature and just walk that often. Well, I'm starting to do it in the morning. That's the best time for me to walk. So yes, I get out in nature in the morning time and go walk. It takes me an hour to do. I think it's about, it's like, it's a little bit under a mile. So now I'm starting to walk more often. I just get up and just go do it. Take me and my dog, and we go walk in the morning, because anytime after 9 o'clock, it's too hot to walk. In Vegas, it's too hot. About 9 o'clock in the morning, it's about 75 degrees. So I just come out and just, you know, it's a very, right now, I think it's probably about 79 or 80. They didn't even want to come over here to the playground. They wanted to go over there by the water because it was hot. So I guess I'll go ahead and end this video. You know, I have to get out more often, get out of nature, and just walk and think. That's another thing. I find myself being able to think a lot more when I walk. Yes, it feels so good out here, y'all. It do. I was in my truck just chilling. They said, get out the truck. It's beautiful out here too. Let me see where I can go. Let me see, hold on. So they got the water park over there. They have the, what's that? The playground over there, the play area back there. I was trying to go to an area where I could see the strip, but I guess from where we're at, you can't see it. But the strip is somewhere behind me, somewhere. It's back there somewhere. Okay, thank you for coming joining in on my live. I'm gonna go back over here and spend some time with my family. They brought the speakers out so we can listen to some music. And believe me, I'm telling you, if you're in Las Vegas around this time of the year, it's hot during the daytime. You might want to come out after 6 or 7. So I hope everyone have an awesome evening. Woo, the water is sprinkling on me because I'm over here at the water pad. Hey, Maya. Oh, she having fun. Look at this girl. This is my daughter, Maya. She having too much fun. There go my family in the background over there. Let me see. There go my granddaughter, my daughter, and my cousin. They back there in the background. My princess Malia, she enjoying herself. Huh? Call Miss Lashina? She want me to call her friend. Go ahead and enjoy it, baby. Go enjoy the water, Malia. Princess Malia. My family. Look, he up there taking pictures, taking selfies. Look at her. Y'all, we out here having fun. Now the water is cold. I'm not getting that water. It's 8:05. Yes, it feels good to get outside and take a walk. It feels good to come out here to the park and let the kids enjoy themselves. We have to do this a little bit more often. It's just that in the daytime it's too hot. Yes, like today it was 97 degrees. That was hot. So we hope everyone have a beautiful evening. Also, you know what? Continue to enjoy your day and never let anyone steal your joy. Thank you. Bye-bye.